Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how you can disable Face ID on MEXC application. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. First of all, launch open MEXC application on your mobile device and log into your account. Once you're logged into the home page of MEXC, go to the top left corner and tap on the human icon. Now on the next page, go ahead and tap on Security. Under Security, scroll down to Face ID and toggle off the button right next to Face ID, and this will scan your Face ID, and you have successfully turned off the Face ID feature on MEXC. Disabling Face ID will stop your device from using biometric authentication for MEXC, so you'll log in using your password instead. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.